M.2 SSD Cooler from Thermal Grizzly. Thermal Grizzly, really known for its cooling compounds. Back paper. We got 1mm minus pad. It's nice packed. This is cool. You got actually 1mm top. So we got 0.5 mm apparently for the back side of the SSD. So this might be a heatsink that wraps completely around it, front and back. We got M.2 SSD Cooler installation instructions. That's cool. And then we should have the heatsink, so let's check it out. So these are two components. This is the front side. Has some weight to it. And the back side is only just a metal plate. Very thin, as you can see. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to mount this on my laptop. I'm not sure if you can see this, but they're glued in. Also remove the other side, the protective plastic from the thermal pad. Here we go. Everything is getting so small in the hardware. Unbelievable. Oh my god. Somebody really needs me. Here we go. Protective coating. Remove it. Let's hope it works. Put it on one side. And then clip it firmly in place. Finished installation looks a bit like this. Feels a lot firmer than the other. Installing the drive is not that easy, as the heatsink is a bit larger or widens the SSD. It's a fiddly operation to get it installed into the slot, but as you can see, I managed. There you go. Just putting in a screw, and then I'll show you how nice it fits, or how snug the place is to mount the drive. This heatsink is a quite good one, got better results than the Icydock heatsink. Yeah, there you go. Perfectly installed.